How's everyone going? Mike from Iron Nation Garage. Going to show you one of my methods for moving around tractors when the transmissions are locked up. And in this case, I've tried everything to unlock these wheels, and I've had quite the problem. So I got to move this tractor around. Very simple, fix to that is this Bigfoot monster Dolly, as you can see. Unfortunately, they don't sell these guys anymore, but the Bigfoot model ones, it's hard to find these guys. Harbor Freight used to have them, but these guys are gold. If you do a lot of moving with stuff like this or other stuff, can't beat these Bigfoot dollies. So, come out behind the tractor. You can do front or back, but in this case, I just need to get this thing to the shed. So you come underneath it with the Bigfoot, lift it up. Now we can do it with the engine on it too, just a little bit harder. But we can do it with the engine as well. I'm moving this into the shed, and you can somewhat maneuver it from the back here. We're maneuvering it right over to the shed. I'll show you guys the button. You can go front. You can come back with it, like that. And it's actually really not hard to move around once you have it set. So I'm moving this thing into the shed over here. I can actually grab it along for the ride. You can see it's really not a hard thing to do. Underneath, up, one-handed. That was one-handed because I'm holding the camera here with the tripod. And then we're gonna push right into our shed here. And you just trying to go right, you can it a little bit to the left. And you can see, we're gonna go right into the shed with it here. But, anyway, that is my method. You can do front or back. Really works for me, works nice, moving around tractors. In this case, sometimes you might have a wheel locked on or rusted on there. But in my case, with this outdoor gem of a tractor, the transmission lock that you normally would hit down here is completely destroyed in the transmission. I've tried, I'm gonna end up just taking the whole transmission out, but I'm not putting any more time into it. But that's my method of moving it around. Highly recommended. Give it a shot. Hopefully this will work out for you guys. Works for me. It's easier. Sometimes you can actually push it up on one wheel and do it that way too. That's another way of doing it with the tractors, but I like doing it this way. So hopefully that helps. And I appreciate everyone tuning in to Iron Nation Garage. We're almost closing in on 650 subscribers. And I appreciate the support from everyone. The likes, the comments, everything. The channel's really doing really well. And I can't thank you guys enough. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm trying to put new videos out there constantly. Different ideas, different ways of doing things. Tractors, Harleys, trucks, motorcycles. We do our restroom trailer business too there. Our restroom trailer business, which we are involved in Eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey. We can do some New York. We can do some maybe Delaware, maybe Maryland, maybe West Virginia, depending on how far. But if you guys see them, we have a couple trailers now for special events, weddings, graduation parties, any event. We do construction, any event or need where you might need a bathroom. It could be something as simple as a water main break or no power. We could supply it. So hit us up. That's another option we have a channel for that too, the Finishing Touch Restroom Rentals YouTube channel as well. So if we're only running at 9 subscribers on there, so if any of my Iron Nation Garage subscribers could jump over to that channel and give us a subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. We're sitting at 9 on that one, but we're growing slowly. So again, thank you very much. Hope everyone's having a great day. Remember, wrench on something, get it done, go out, do something, work on something, and keep moving. Have a good day. Take care.